Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Walmart grocery haul and a weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was roughly around $60. We had to get a lot of produce and fruit and dairy only because we are trying to do a challenge where we don't eat out as much, and this is going to last us at least a week and a half. But coming over here, we have some chicken legs for taco chicken, pork chop for a recipe. We have shrimp for a recipe this week, mushrooms, taco seasoning. Jared needed some block cheese. We got some Colby and some mild. Bacon, we just need some bacon just to hold us over until we can go to Sam's. We needed some more cheese, so we got the big bag. Jared needs some milk, sour cream, honeycombs for Jared's cereal. Jared wanted some drinks, so we have the Mountain Dews. We got a dark chocolate bar because dark chocolate is good for you. We needed some salt and butter. Here's the newspaper, so make sure you go check out the weekly ad that's already going to be up. Zucchini, broccoli, asparagus, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, some avocado, some very ripe avocado. Well, not ripe, but it's not even ready yet. Almonds, some cookies, and then some bugles to snack on at work. Moving on to the meal plan. Now, I wrote this on the computer paper only because I wrote this out at like 3 in the morning. So, Sunday we're going to have breakfast. Monday we're going to have baked cracked chicken with asparagus. Now, I printed this off. Everything that you see will be on my Pinterest if you would like. But here is the baked cracked chicken breast. Really simple. Tuesday, we're going to have a garlic butter mushroom pork chops with roasted zucchini. And like I said, this is all on the Pinterest page. Wednesday, we're going to have, it did say fish or shrimp, but we ended up getting shrimp with broccoli. Thursday, we're going to have grilled taco chicken, drumsticks with, there is this like really nice sauce. It's a taco ranch dipping sauce that we're probably going to have that, and then whatever veggies we have left out of cooking all of that. And then here is the recipe. Friday we're going to have eggs, bacon, and avocado, only because Friday, Saturday, Sunday I am working 7p to 7a. So we have to probably just eat some leftovers. And then Saturday I have a wedding shower that I have to go to, so I'm probably going to eat there also. But that is the weekly meal plan, and here is the overview of the Walmart grocery haul once again. And if you like this video, let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss another Walmart haul, because these are one of my favorites besides my sinking funds. But yeah, so everybody have a good week. If you live in the South, make sure you stay dry because it is pouring down rain because of Hurricane Barry. But I will see you guys later. Bye.